Hi, this is Dr. Sushita Lashmianish. Today's topic is very related and very useful for nowadays situation. Yes, we are going to discuss about Vasaka, that means Adaloda Vasika. In English, Malapatnut, and in Tamil, it is named as Adatode. The plant has good curative properties and an ultimate remedy for many disorders like upper respiratory disorders, bleeding disorders, skin problem, gut health, infection problems, and it works as a pain reliever also. The Vasaka, that means the Adaloda Vasika, exemplifies two distinctive tastes, mainly bitter taste and astringent taste, and it contains dry and light qualities, and it also contains cold potency in nature. The Vasaka has a rich concentration in bioactive components like vasicin, vasakin, luteolin, carotene, quinazoline alkaloids, and it has a powerful properties like antitussive, bronchodilator, antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, antispasmodic properties. Moreover, it is very much helpful and reduce some other diseases like upper respiratory problems, nose bleeding, nose congestion, tuberculosis, asthma, and even help for dengue fever also. And the Vasaka holds high significance in treating the common cold, cough, and flu also. And it reduces the nasal congestion, get rid of sputum from the lungs, and immediately stop the nasal discharge and nasal bleeding also. First of all, the easy and simplest home remedy of Vasaka is how to prepare this home remedy is take 5 leaves of Vasaka and add 2 cups of water, then boil it with medium flame till the water contains reduced in half quantity. In that decoction, add 2 tablespoons of honey and drink it for 5 to 7 days continuously. Then the another method of Vasaka is take 5 leaves of Vasaka and extract the juice of Vasaka. In that, add 2 tablespoons of honey. The Vasaka juice contains only 10 to 15 ml is enough for one time. Just add in that 2 tablespoons of honey and take this mixture for 5 to 7 days continuously. It is very powerful and very effective home remedy for upper respiratory problems. In this pandemic situation, each and every person affected by common cold or flu, so don't hesitate to take this remedy at your home. If you are having any other doubt or fearful to take this remedy, so please go and consult an Ayurvedic doctor. They will always help you.